Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Searching for a place to grow a healthy natural hair? Then you are in the right place, guys. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this hair growth butter that also helps moisturize and also help keep a healthy hair. So guys, the ingredients for this hair butter, firstly we have black seeds, which is also known as collagen seeds. I don't know if I got that correctly, but anyway, black seeds are also very essential for natural hair. They are one of the best natural ingredients that you can actually use to grow your hair naturally. The next is fenugreek, and then we have some cloves here. I also have a hair growth oil made from these ingredients. You do not want to miss that video. It's going to be coming up very soon. Please do want to watch out for that video as well. Okay, so I went ahead to blend my ingredients all together. I took a tablespoon each of the ingredients, the black seed, the cloves, and the fenugreek seeds, and I went ahead to blend it together. Now, why do you have to blend it? It's just to help for faster infusion and also to help the fenugreek seeds crack up a little. Now, if you soak fenugreek seeds in water, they tend to become swollen because at that point water has penetrated into the seeds. But in place of using an oil, you really cannot be so sure that the oil is going to penetrate into the seeds if the seeds are not being crushed. So that's why you need to crush it. So I went ahead to just crush my ingredients, the black seed, the cloves, and the fenugreek seeds. I just went ahead to crush it so it could help with faster infusion. And then the next ingredient is shea butter. So you could use any butter of your choice. We have shea butter, we have cocoa butter, we have avocado butter, we have cacao butter. So you could use any butter of your choice, guys. You don't really have to use just shea butter, but I decided to go with shea butter because that is what I have and it's readily accessible to me. So I took that entire portion of shea butter. You could use more. If you're using more shea butter, then your ingredients should be more, okay? So I just poured in the blended ingredients into the shea butter, which I've already added into a pan, and I put it on heat to help it dissolve and also help with the infusion of the ingredients into the butter. You understand? So that both of them can marry each other very well. So guys, let me give you guys a proper welcome and also my appreciation, end of year appreciation into the new year. Thank you so much, guys, for 2022. I really do appreciate what you guys did for me in 2022, the views, the likes, the subscription. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I want to beg you guys, please, when you watch my videos, please give the videos a thumbs up. Please. And also when you share and when you watch, please share, okay? Thank you. Share my videos. There are a lot of people who would want to, grow their hair healthy and they're looking for the right place just to help them. So here is the right place, I can tell you that. So anyways, I went ahead to melt the butter and also in the same process allow the infusion to take place. Now before you sieve, please allow it to cool down. No, I did allow mine cool down for a very long time. Allow it cool down for you to be able to touch it, okay, so you don't burn yourself, because butter is just like oil, okay? So allow it cool down before you decide to sieve through. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead to add in my essential oils. Like I already said, you guys should already know that I love my essential oils, such that anything that I use on my hair, I always do add the essential oils to it. So guys, you can go ahead and add the essential oils, okay? So whatever kind of essential oils you have, go ahead to add. For me, I use lavender essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and tea tree essential oil. If you have rosemary, any other essential oil that you have, please go ahead and add this, stir it up together and leave it to cool down. Now once it cool down, it solidifies. If you live in a very cold environment, it solidifies faster. Mine didn't exactly solidify very fast, but it did solidify. At the point I was using it right here, In fact, it was so stiff. I had to use my hands to press through to get the butter out because it was so stiff. But then if you can't really put your hand through it, just heat up some water and drop it in it and help it dissolve a little before you go ahead to start using it. Okay, so here what I'm actually spraying on my hair is, you guys are going to find out later. I just sprayed a hair treatment on my hair to moisturize my hair, unraveled the twist, and then I applied the butter. That was because I wanted to go braid my hair. Yes, I braid my hair. For those of you who ask if I ever do, yes, I do braid my hair. So times when I want to braid my hair like this, I ensure that I properly treated my hair before going to braid my hair. And while my hair is in the braid or in the twist or whatever, I still go ahead to take good care of my hair. And so that's it for the application, guys. I just went ahead to spread the hair treatment all over my hair, moisturize with the butter, and I also did go ahead to apply the Hibiscus oil that I already mentioned earlier to my scalp, and I also did give my hair a good scalp massage. Now, scalp massages have their own benefits and role that they play with hair growth, and I already shared that in one of my TikTok videos already. So if you haven't watched or heard about the benefits of scalp massages, then please do well to go check out my TikTok page at Nelly Special on TikTok. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.